Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fantastic free OpenVPN client that offers unlimited access to servers across various locations. What's even better? It's completely free. This VPN also supports custom servers, which are regularly updated to ensure you always have the best options available. Let's dive right into how you can get started with this amazing tool. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type OpenVPN Spider and press Enter. You'll see several results, but make sure to select the one labeled OpenVPN Spider as it comes with built-in servers and a wide range of locations. Tap on it to download and install the app. This process might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the app is installed, tap the Open button to launch it. You'll be taken to the OpenVPN home screen, where you can configure all the necessary settings. On the home screen, you'll notice a menu displaying server locations. Below this menu, you'll see a list of servers available for those locations. Next, select any location you're interested in, such as the United States, China, or any other country. Once you've chosen a location, you'll see a list of servers for that specific area. Make sure to check whether the server is active or expired. This information is clearly displayed next to each server. After selecting a server, tap on it to connect. A pop-up window will appear. Simply tap OK to proceed. Once connected, you can verify the IP change by visiting the UDP custom website and clicking on Check My IP. If the VPN is working correctly, you'll see a clear change in your IP address. And that's it. You're now connected to a secure VPN server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.